This looks safe.
Oh yeah, look, they're already in it.
Yeah, they like
Well, they're hot. They have to regulate. They don't have sweat glands like you and I, which is weird.
But they don't sweat, they just collect up heat and have to cool off.
No, I just...
All right, so the goats need fed at our little Hootenanny Farmstead, Homestead. You want to put that back over your sister?
No.
So we're going to take a little ride down in the quad. It's a pouring. Riley, Paisley, put that back over Riley somehow.
Riley, scooch up. I need it. Riley!
Whoa. Apparently, we got to feed the animals even in the pouring rain. Hey!
Where's the pig? Grab the pig! Grab the pig, Gabe! The puppy! I'm scared. That's just gonna knock me down.
Yeah, it will.
Is it live?
No. It's so
We're trying to feed everybody before it's time to go home for the night. We've got an electrical fence we're putting up to try to protect from predators. Got some shelter to at least keep them out of the rain. Really praying that nothing can get to them.
Riley. She's shivering. Put her head on this thing. That's a little too tall. Who's that? Who's that? She's biting my fingers. I know, she likes to, but she'll get that big one.
Oh, look what he did to it. And now it's on you.
Here we go. Here you go.